Struggling to grow strong seedlings indoors? What if you could start your seeds with zero stress and get perfect results every time? This Joyhalo Seed Starter Kit changed my gardening game, and I'll show you how. Hey plant lovers, welcome to SmartBloom, your guide to smarter gardening. I'm your favorite YouTuber, here to share the best tools for growing thriving plants. Today we're unboxing the Joyhalo 12-Cell Seed Starter Kit. Let's grow together. Hit that subscribe button to join our SmartBloom family. The Joyhalo 12-Cell Seed Starter Kit is a complete solution for starting seeds indoors. It comes with a 12-cell reusable tray, a 4.7-inch tall humidity dome for extra seedling space, a graphene heating mat to keep soil warm, a full-spectrum grow light for healthy growth, and a clear silicone base to catch water and make transplanting easy. It's perfect for growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers indoors, even in small spaces. Here's how this kit grows strong seedlings in 3 steps. Step 1, plant your seeds in the 12-cell tray. The silicone base makes removal a breeze. Step 2, set up the grow light and heating mat. They mimic sunlight and keep soil at the perfect temperature. Step 3, adjust the 4.7-inch humidity dome. Its tall design gives seedlings room to grow strong. It's like a mini greenhouse for your plants. I used this kit to start tomato seeds in my Florida apartment, and the results were amazing. The graphene heating mat kept the soil warm, and my seeds sprouted in just 5 days. The tall 4.7-inch dome gave my seedlings plenty of space to grow without getting leggy. Pro tip: use the grow light for 12 hours a day to mimic natural sunlight. Some users say the tray cells are a bit flimsy, so handle them gently when wet. Bonus tip: clean the silicone base after each use to keep it clear and reusable. Here's why I'm hooked on this kit. Pros: the tall 4.7-inch dome gives seedlings space, the grow light and heating mat boost germination, and the silicone base makes transplanting easy. Cons: the tray cells can feel flimsy when wet, and the light isn't strong enough for later growth stages. But honestly, this kit made me feel like a pro. I've never grown stronger seedlings. Do you struggle with indoor seed starting? Share your story in the comments, I'm all ears. This kit is perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who want to start seeds indoors. Think tomatoes, herbs, or flowers. It's great for beginners or small space growers who need a compact solution. Not ideal for large-scale growing due to the 12-cell limit though. Ready to grow strong seedlings? Grab the Joyhalo 12-Cell Seed Starter Kit on Amazon. Link below. What's your favorite plant to start from seed? Tell me in the comments. I reply to everyone. Loved this video? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom. We bring you gardening tips to make your plants thrive.